Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you traditional Pandani blouse design. So please watch the video till end. Friends, Pandani blouse are traditional Indian outfit and featuring a unique and traditional technique that originated in Rajasthan and Gujarat. This kind of Pandani blouse design create intricate pattern like dots, waves and motif. One of the best Pandani blouse pattern for women can be found at Style, known for its unique craftsmanship and modern design. These kind of Pandani blouse design come in vibrant color like red, green, yellow, blue, maroon, purple, pink, white, and etc. And it oft adorned with mirror work, stonework, embroidery work, lace work, and blending tradition with contemporary fashion. Friends, these kind of Pandani blouse are crafted from material like cotton, silk, sarjan, chiffon, and ensure comfort and elegance. Friends, we know that Pandani blouse design for women beautifully combine tradition with modern elegance, making them a timeless addition to any wardrobe. Pandani blouse design perfect for festive occasion or casual wear. These vibrant and intricate design suitable for showcasing Indian outfit. This kind of Pandani blouse design add a touch of tradition to your style. Friends, this kind of Pandani blouse design perfect blend for tradition and elegance. One of the best Pandani blouse design for women, the outfit featuring a stunning Pandani print blouse design gives a regal and graceful look. Intricate kotapatti detailing add to it attractive. This kind of Pandani blouse design for women perfect for festive and special occasion. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, if you want more video like this, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon. Thank you friends and keep watching.